Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to merge projects in Planner 5D. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in planner5d.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Planner 5D if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's check out what we have in front of us. We have the products, resources, enterprise and pricing. In the top side of the screen, we have your projects, you design school and log out and different kind of options here. And of course, the projects here that you have, and you can create a new project by clicking on this button here. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and merge projects in Planner 5D. So what you need to do is go and hold the Shift key and select the items that you want to include with your cursor. All selected items have a green outline. Click on the grouping icon and then the group choose items. So of course you have to do this in a project, and then to group chosen items, easily move the group objects and rotate and copy. So that is basically how you can do it. So hold on the Shift key, and when you hold the Shift key, you just need to go and move those things, and of course go and put them in one particular merged project. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, as I told you, I hope that you enjoyed the video, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.